Machines don't just serve practical purposes. Sometimes they surprise, amuse, and inspire awe by defying expectations. From intricate chain reactions to sculptures that appear alive, mechanical tricks and engineering illusions remind us that science can be as enchanting as art. This classmate gathers some of the most fascinating feats where physics, creativity, and craftsmanship converge, blurring the line between entertainment and engineering marvel. Honda, the COG, 2003, chain reaction commercial. In 2003, Honda released what became one of the most famous commercials of all time, the COG. It wasn't CGI or camera trickery, just a breathtaking chain reaction built entirely out of car parts. A muffler rolls across the floor, bumping into gears, which turn shafts, which tip tires, creating a domino effect that stretches across the room. The climax arrives when the chain reaction sets a full car in motion. The genius of this piece lies not only in its engineering precision, but also in its hypnotic rhythm, turning mechanical reliability into performance art. OK Go. This too shall pass. Rube Goldberg machine. The band OK Go became internet legends for their elaborate music videos, and none stands out more than their 2010 masterpiece, This Too Shall Pass. Instead of a simple performance, the entire video unfolds as a colossal Rube Goldberg machine, a whimsical contraption where every falling domino, swinging hammer, or rolling ball triggers the next step. Built with incredible precision, the machine spans 2 stories of a warehouse, synchronized perfectly with the music. The video transformed engineering into choreography, showing that physics could be as theatrical as a dance routine. Red Bull, the athlete machine, Rube Goldberg event. Red Bull took the concept of chain reaction machines to the extreme with the athlete machine. Instead of balls and levers, they built a massive contraption powered by athletes themselves, BMX riders, skiers, skateboarders, and more. Each stunt triggered the next. A snowboarder's jump set off a switch that launched a basketball, which in turn activated the skateboard ramp. The machine turned human performance into engineering cogs, merging sport with mechanics. Lego Great Ball Contraption Exhibition. Among Lego enthusiasts, nothing captures mechanical playfulness like the Great Ball Contraption. These sprawling assemblies consist of dozens of interconnected modules, each moving small balls through lifts, conveyors, and ramps. The balls travel endlessly through loops of mechanisms, powered entirely by Lego motors and gears. What makes the contraption extraordinary is the collaboration. Builders from around the world contribute modules that seamlessly connect, creating a machine that can stretch across entire exhibition halls. BMW Museum, Kinetic Sculpture, Art Plus Com. In the BMW Museum in Munich, a hall is dominated by a mesmerizing kinetic sculpture designed by Art Plus Com. Over 1,000 metal spheres hang from thin wires, moving gracefully in unison. At first, the spheres float in abstract waves, but slowly they align into the outline of iconic BMW cars. The choreography is controlled by precise computer programming, transforming cold steel into fluid motion. Strandbeest. Theo Jansen walking sculptures. Dutch artist and inventor Theo Jansen created mechanical creatures he calls Strandbeests or beach beasts. Made from lightweight PVC tubes, these massive skeletal structures walk along beaches powered only by wind. Their legs move with a gait eerily similar to living animals, as if skeletons had come to life. Jansen describes his creations as a new form of life, evolving over time as he refines their designs. Pendulum wave, synchronization display. The pendulum wave is a simple yet enchanting demonstration of synchronization and rhythm. A series of pendulums, each with slightly different lengths, are set in motion at the same time. At first, the movement looks chaotic, but as time passes, the pendulums form mesmerizing wave patterns, aligning into spirals and rippling sequences. Eventually, they appear to dance in harmony before returning to disorder. Rolling ball sculpture, perpetual track illusion build. Rolling ball sculptures are intricate tracks where marbles travel endlessly through loops, jumps, and spirals. The motion seems perpetual, as balls race down slopes, are lifted back up, and repeat the journey. Built from metal rails or wooden tracks, these sculptures combine engineering precision with playful entertainment. The fascination comes from watching motion become infinite, an illusion of perpetual energy. Spinning harmonograph, drawing machine demo. The harmonograph is a Victorian-era invention that transforms motion into art. Using swinging pendulums, it moves a pen across paper to create intricate geometric patterns. When combined with rotation, the machine produces spirals, loops, and floral-like designs that look almost alive. Each drawing is unique, shaped by the subtle differences in motion. Watching a harmonograph in action is like seeing the invisible language of physics become visible artwork. Humans since 1982. A million times, kinetic clock wall. Design studio Humans since 1982 created a million times, an installation made of hundreds of clock faces. Each clock has two hands that move independently, but together the hands synchronize into sweeping animations, waves, spirals, or even words. The installation turns time itself into a canvas, using mechanics not just to measure hours but to draw pictures in motion. It transforms the simple clock into both sculpture and spectacle. John Edmark, Bloom's Stro animated sculptures. Artist and inventor John Edmark designs 3D printed sculptures called blooms, which appear to come alive when placed under a strobe light or viewed through a camera with the right frame rate. As the object spins, patterns unfold like blooming flowers or twisting seashells, creating the illusion of organic growth. The secret lies in mathematical spirals known as the golden ratio. Edmark's blooms demonstrate how engineering, mathematics, and perception merge to create illusions of life. Quantum levitation, superconductor track demonstration. Few demonstrations are as astonishing as quantum levitation. In this experiment, a superconducting disk cooled with liquid nitrogen is placed above a magnetic track. Instead of falling, it floats, even locked in place at angles defying gravity. The effect, known as flux pinning, allows the disk to remember its position relative to the track, enabling frictionless motion. Watching a levitating object glide effortlessly around a track feels like peering into the future of transportation, where engineering illusions might one day become real-world technology. The art of engineering illusions. From Honda's legendary chain reaction to superconductors colliding on magnetic fields, these mechanical tricks reveal the artistry hidden in physics. They show us that engineering is not just about solving problems. It's also about creating wonder. Every marble that rolls, every pendulum that swings, and every shadow that shifts proves that machines can be storytellers too. Which of these engineering illusions fascinated you the most? The hypnotic precision of the BMW kinetic sculpture, the playful chaos of Oetko's Rube Goldberg machine, or the futuristic magic of quantum levitation? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you love exploring the intersection of science, creativity, and illusion, subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of engineering. Curiosity and imagination are the real engines that keep discovery in motion.